Sick of SUVs that fall apart after 100,000 miles? You need a cheap ride that runs forever. Today, we're counting down the 13 reliable cheap SUVs under $10,000 that last forever.
Wow!
These budget beasts hit 300,000 miles easy. Let's roll. 1. Toyota RAV4, 2006 to 2012, $6,000 to $9,000. The Toyota RAV4 is the reliability king of compact SUVs, with its 2.4-liter or 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine routinely surpassing 300,000 miles with just oil changes, timing belt service, and basic brake work. Its compact size, available all-wheel drive, and generous cargo space make it ideal for city driving, family errands, or light off-road fun. U.S. News, 2025, ranks it as a top reliable used SUV under $10,000, praising its low maintenance and Toyota toughness. A 2010 RAV4 owner on Reddit raved, "Mine's at 320,000 miles. Original engine, no major issues, just fluids and tires." The RAV4's legendary durability means you buy it once and drive worry-free for decades, a no-brainer for budget buyers. 2. Honda CR-V, 2007 to 2011, $5,000 to $9,000. Honda's CR-V is a bulletproof compact SUV powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine that easily hits 250,000 miles or more with routine oil changes, tire rotations, and occasional suspension tweaks. Its roomy interior, up to 28 miles per gallon highway fuel economy, and optional AWD make it a family or commuter favorite. Kelley Blue Book, 2025, lists it as a standout used SUV for dependability and affordability. An owner on Cars.com shared, "My 2009 CR-V's at 290,000 miles. Still original transmission and engine, super smooth." The CR-V's simple, robust design and Honda engineering ensure it's a one-time buy that delivers lifelong reliability without surprise shop bills. 3. Toyota Highlander, 2008 to 2013, $7,000 to $10,000. The Toyota Highlander is a midsize SUV built to endure, with its 2.7-liter four-cylinder or 3.5-liter V6 engines frequently exceeding 300,000 miles with minimal fuss. Optional third-row seating, a plush ride, and towing up to 5,000 pounds make it perfect for families or gear haulers. U.S. News 2025 highlights its stellar predicted reliability and strong resale value. A Reddit user posted, "My 2010 Highlander's at 340,000 miles. Tows my camper and crushes winters, no breakdowns." The Highlander's rugged Toyota build saves you from costly repairs, making it a forever SUV investment. 4. Honda Pilot, 2009 to 2015, $6,000 to $10,000. The Honda Pilot's 3.5-liter V6 engine powers this three-row midsize SUV to 250,000 miles and beyond, with space for 7, towing up to 4,500 pounds, and a comfortable car-like ride. Its high safety ratings and versatile cargo setup appeal to big families. Top Speed, 2025, calls it a lifetime reliable pick thanks to Honda's quality. An Edmunds owner noted, "My 2011 Pilot's at 280,000 miles. Original transmission, just fluid changes and brakes." The Pilot's durability and family focus make it a buy-once beast that runs forever. 5. Subaru Forester, 2009 to 2013, $5,000 to $9,000. Subaru's Forester is a compact SUV with a 2.5-liter boxer engine and standard AWD, conquering 300,000 miles in snow, mud, or highways. High ground clearance and practical cargo shine for adventurers. Consumer Reports, 2025, gives it top reliability scores. A Reddit user said, "My 2010 Forester's at 310,000 miles. Michigan winters? No problem, 0 major fixes. The Forester's all-weather grit and Subaru engineering make it a forever all-rounder." 6. Suspense moment. Mazda CX-5. You won't believe the sixth SUV, a fun-to-drive crossover that's secretly unbreakable. Guess which one before we reveal? Mazda CX-5. 2013 to 2016, $8,000 to $10,000. The Mazda CX-5's 2.0-liter or 2.5-liter Skyactiv engines last 250,000 plus miles, with sporty handling, 30 miles per gallon highway, and premium feel. CarGurus 2025 praises its low breakdowns. A Cars.com owner shared, "My 2014 CX-5's at 260,000 miles feels new, just oil and tires." The CX-5's dynamics and toughness make it a forever joyride. 7. Hyundai Santa Fe. 2010 to 2012, approximately $6,000 to $9,000. The underrated hero. Its 4-cylinder and V6 versions climb past 240,000 miles with low-cost maintenance, spacious, quiet, and budget-friendly endurance. 8. Kia Sorento. 2011 to 2015, approximately $7,000 to $10,000. Kia's best long-haul SUV, the 2.4-liter or 3.5-liter V6 hits 270,000 miles with minimal work. 3 rows, family comfort, and endless reliability. 9. Chevrolet Equinox, 2010 to 2017, approximately $5,000 to $9,000. Compact, affordable, and reliable. Its 2.4-liter 4-cylinder cruises past 260,000 miles as a daily commuter. Cheap to buy, cheap to maintain. 10. Ford Escape, 2008 to 2012, approximately $4,000 to $8,000. Ford's budget fighter. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder lasts 280,000 miles on just basic maintenance. Compact utility and AWD versatility on the cheap. 11. Nissan Rogue, 2008 to 2013, approximately $5,000 to $9,000. A Nissan workhorse. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder reaches 270,000 miles with ease. Roomy and efficient, a forever value SUV. 12. Jeep Wrangler, 2007 to 2011, approximately $7,000 to $10,000. The off-road legend. Its 3.8-liter V6 lasts 290,000 miles on trails without braking. A rugged, forever adventure machine. 13. Twist Chevrolet Tahoe, 2007 to 2014, approximately $8,000 to $10,000. Here's the twist. Tahoe under $10,000. Its 5.3-liter V8 easily crushes 380,000 miles while towing 8,500 pounds. But at 15 miles per gallon, it's a gas guzzler. Tough forever SUV or wallet drainer? You decide. These 13 SUVs are immortal, cheap, reliable, and forever tough. Which one's your dream ride? Drop it in the comments, especially on that Tahoe twist. Smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more unbreakable picks. See you on the road.